Hi, I'm Liz Jones, and today I wanted to talk to you about why I came up with this free offer of my 5 secrets to lose 20 pounds the healthy way and keep it off. So the problem that I see out there is that there are so many diets, there's so many trainers and nutritionists, and every day just new things are popping up around weight loss. And I'm sure if you're like me, you try it out between 5 and 20 different programs, and what's frustrating is they're just not working. So that is why I wanted to help you out. So I came up with my 5 secrets that over the past 8 years of working in the world of weight loss, I have seen have made the biggest impact of losing the weight and keeping it off. So if you're interested in learning about my 5 secrets to losing 20 pounds the healthy way and keeping it off, go ahead and check out this link below and let me know what you think.